Okay, so good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to introduce myself and introduce my book, Pedagogy and Conscience, the Teacher as an Agent of Awareness. As everybody knows, education is falling apart, but not just in this country. I would say the educational crisis affects the whole world. Now, what is the problem nowadays? It is that we are at the point of no return. The way we have abused Mother Earth, the indescribable cruelty that we show animals and life in all of its forms, bullying that has taken the toll in the form of students committing suicide, are problems that we can no longer ignore. In my book, Pedagogy and Conscience, the Teacher as an Agent of Awareness, I first expose the great divide there is between the acquisition of knowledge and human development. Why? Because education has become a purchasable good. You can buy education, you can buy a diploma just like you can buy a car, or you can buy a book, or you can buy whatever. The problem is that we have forgotten or we have neglected the ethical aspect of education. As His Holiness, the 14th Dalai Lama, says that we should not only educate children to develop their brains, but to develop their hearts, to make them more compassionate, empathic, to make them more considerate. And this is fundamental because we teachers have an enormous responsibility as role models. In countries like Sweden, like the United States of America, like England, where divorce and broken families have become endemic problems, alcoholism, codependency, drug addiction. It is time for us teachers to address these issues in class and not just look another way, because we might be saving lives. This is why it is fundamental that the teacher regains his or her role as a leader. But I'm not talking about an irrational type of authority. I am talking about rational authority which helps the people who lean on it to grow as human beings. In the book, I present several ethical views of education, like Tagore's, like Albert Schweitzer's, like Maria Montessori, whose aim is not just to feed the students with knowledge as though they were machines, but to develop their personalities and to make them ethical, empathic, compassionate human beings, because they are going to be the citizens of tomorrow, the politicians of tomorrow, the business people of tomorrow. It is time that we reconsider the role of pedagogy in our schools and the role of the teacher, not just as a provider of facts. Thank you very much.